We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This property has a lot area of 200 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, high ceiling, living, dining and kitchen, balcony and 2 carport. Priced at 23.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
So let's talk about the location first, because this location is perfect because it's near most of the major establishments, restaurants, hotels, and hospitals. At mga schools, marami rin sa paligid natin. It's situated on a corner lot, guys. Makikita nyo from here to this area. Now, come to this side. You can already see the beauty and the elegance of this house. Your 2-car carport is located on the side. Right here. Very good location. And yung service areas din natin nasa likod. Later, iikot tayo dyan. But first, of course, we will show you the front ng house. Very elegant. Also guys, this fence, makita nyo may tiling. Tapos meron tayong mga metal dito, grills. Tapos may parang wood accent dito. And this welcome arch dito sa ating pedestrian gate. So, let's go in. Upon entry from the street level, we step up, 2 steps up, then you will be welcomed by this space right here. Meron tayo ditong space for your seating area or whatever you want to use it for. Very grand. Wooden detail on the side. Tapos this guys, hindi lang kita kasi we're shooting at 10 a.m. This is a strip light going all throughout the height of the house. Ang ganda. Wooden ceiling design. Pocket garden right here. This is your way to your 2-car carport. Yan, makikita nyo guys yung strip lights. Napakaganda. Just imagine how beautiful this is at night. Now, your main door, it's a very big wooden pivot door. Metal handle, electronic lock that can be accessed through your card, fingerprint, and of course, you have a facial recognition. Wooden jam tayo dito. It's kind of heavy, no? Parang sobrang solid talaga niya. Come in. Now, welcome to this space. Open living space. Take a look at that. Living area, you have this long couches right here, solid wooden center table, we have carpeting, and this very elegant artwork on your accent wall na parang tiled yung likod niya, and this elegant strip lights din dito. Napakaganda. Now guys, those are storage, so you will never run out of storage guys. Napakaganda. Very nice cove lighting. Your kitchen area is right here, formal kitchen. Very neat countertop. You have this bar area right here. Meron tayo ditong bar stools. A lot of storage underneath. Clear ang ating doors dito sa storage natin. Tapos, papansin nyo guys, textured ang wall. Kaya naman, very decorative talaga siya. Ang ganda. Tapos imagine you have your china here. Napakaganda. Okay. Modern type sink. You have this parang piano buttons. Maraming function. Meron tayong parang rainfall dyan. Meron tayong yung para sa inyong mga glassware dito. Dito yung para sa mga soap and all. Your range will go right here. Hindi pa lang siya naka-installed. Meron tayong range hood dito, more storage up there, and your 2-door refrigerator na napakaganda because it's colored black na nagmamatch dun sa ating mga modulars. Di ba? Napakaganda. Then, we go to your dining area. You have this 8-seater dining table, solid wood made on site. Tapos meron tayong resin sa gitna. check nyo guys yung detail, oh. Very nice, very elegant, okay? Then above that is a very interesting design. Pendant lighting, air conditioning throughout the house is installed. We have this accent wall right here. Curtains are installed. Meron tayong sheer curtain, meron tayong blackout curtain. Plus this door can be opened, sliding yan, going to the side of the house. Okay? Also, yung flooring, very clean lang yung design, very simple. 'Di ba? Hindi siya masakit sa mata. Okay? Now, we go to this area. We have this door, which is your ground floor bedroom. So, this can be a guest room, an elderly room. Napakaganda. May sarili siyang window for ventilation that overlooks our two-car carport. We have this installed clear na cabinetry for your clothes. May racks tayo dyan and open shelves. Very nice. Daikin air conditioning. Shout out Daikin, baka naman. Laging special mention. Okay, we have your controls right here. Napakaganda, neat siya, nakatago. And a toilet and bath on the ground floor. You have this countertop, sink, modern type. We have this very beautiful backsplash dito para siyang marble na subway tiles. Napakalaking mirror, lighted of course, and you have this Japanese toilet that is automatic. It can be, meron siyang bidet function. Nagwa-warm din yung ating seat dito. Very nice detail sa ating shower, shampoo niche, and this very modern na shower setup. Meron tayong ditong faucet, meron tayo ditong parang control for the rainfall, and meron ding handheld shower. Tapos kahit sa kumbaga kahit sa CR lang or bathroom, meron tayong wooden elements na may light strips din, which makes it more elegant. Okay? Now this door leads out to your two-car carport na napakaganda rin ng tiling. Tingnan nyo, oh. 'Di ba? Very wide, very high ceiling, well lighted. You have your water faucet over here. You have outlets dito if you need it for your vacuum or your car wash. Nandyan siya. Now this area is your service area. We have a countertop, sink, may outlet din dito. Now we have this polycarbonate para yung light makakapasok pa rin, no? Tapos secured pa rin siya. Your tanks are here. Your staff room is right here. They have ample space over here. Plus, they have their own toilet and bath through this door. Now, let's go back in. We take one more look sa ating napaka-expansive na living area. Your kitchen, very elegant combination of black and white. The dining, wooden elements, and of course, your living area. Sobrang ganda mag-host ng guest dito, oh. Kasi para siyang set ng talk show, 'di ba? Ay, by the way, I failed to mention earlier, you have a console right here if you wish to have a television dito sa area na to. Okay? Tapos textured din yung wall dito. Ang ganda. Now we go up to the second floor. You have wooden steps, wooden handrails, metal support, may glass detail din. Tapos, habang umaakyat ka, you will actually see yung ating napakagandang double height ceiling sa area na to. You have this parang mga dice na chandelier, di ba? Tapos the curtains. Behind the camera, pakita natin the curtains. Ito na yata yung pinakamataas na curtain na nakita ko. It's made on site, talagang custom made for this house. Really, really nice. So let's head up. Sa mid-landing, we have a window right here that overlooks the front of the house. Sobrang natural light ang pumapasok dito because, sabi ko nga, it's 10 a.m. Yung sun nandyan siya, para siyang morning sun siya. So, pasok tayo. Upon landing, you have this hallway, stucco finish wall, Very nice. Unahin natin itong door na to since siya naman ang nauna. Okay, upon entry, you have this very interesting room. You have a bed right here, side tables on either side. You have outlets, built-in cabinetry na may soft touch dito for your lights sa inyong cabinets. Okay? You have a console over here, stucco finish wall, air conditioning. Plus, we have this rather interesting ladder going up to your loft. So, akit tayo. Ito pwede itong parang man cave or depende sa inyo. If I were to use this room, pwede itong stock room kasi nga may mga selling tayo, di ba? So pwede ito, napakaganda. May sarili ring window. Tapos pwede rin itong kids room, di ba? Another bed dito. Napakaganda niyan. Share sila ng sa baba. Now this bedroom has its own bathroom. So let's check it out. Upon entry, you have a sink, enclosed shower, plus your toilet. So, ang maganda rainfall shower head din siya. May shampoo niche din. Enclosed. Interesting design. Maraming pwedeng paggamitan. Now, this hallway, again, tapos, so, real wood. Real wood ang ginamit sa ating flooring. Okay? This door is another bedroom. You have this high ceiling. Bed is right here. You have side tables. You have a window for natural light. Console over here. Plus another built-in na may soft touch na lighted cabinetry. Okay? Then, also, own bathroom. Your toilet, your enclosed shower, and your sink over here. So, I'm excited sa next room natin. Kasi ito na yung master. Okay? At the end of the hallway, you have this door. And wow. Sobrang grand. High ceiling. Very nice chandelier. You have a king-size bed over here. Side tables. You have outlets. Console over here. Napakaganda. Meron tayong wood elements dito. Plus, this door leads to your balcony. Sa side ng house. Meron tayo ditong glass railing. Tempered glass. Below this is the two-car carport. No? Guys, I don't know kung nagta-translate sa camera yung ating space dito sa master. Grabe, ang lawak. No? Punta tayo ngayon sa walk-in. May mga lights din tayo dito. You have your walk-in cabinets here. Lighted shelves, racks, and more shelves and racks. Open shelves. Ito, perfect to pag may mga bag collection po kayo. Napakaganda. Now we enter your master bathroom. So pagpasok natin, you have this sink. Medyo mahaba yung sink natin. Wala lang division pero parang double sink siya. You have this mirror, enclosed shower with the modern type shower setup, plus another Japanese toilet dito na may bidet, may sensors and all. Plus, you have a bathtub. How cool, diba? Napakaganda. So now, let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 200 square meters, floor area of 330 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, high ceiling, living, dining and kitchen, balcony and 2 carport. Priced at 23.5 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.